Hello everyone, it's 27th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have India-Asian ties making steady progress, says Prime Minister, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Andhra Pradesh braces for cyclone as IMD issues high alert for 23 districts, again very important for disaster management perspective. Then we have India-EU trade talks intensify, Piyush Goyal to visit Brussels, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have sterilization, immunization of stray dogs fell by half in August, very important for policy and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have this half page dedicated to this one news, the literary discontent, again very important for this education perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says the contours of constitutional morality, again very important for polity and constitution perspective. Then the second editorial says winding up the clock of India-Nepal economic ties, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the perils of engaging with the Taliban, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have most people extradited to India are economic offenders, again very important for economy perspective as well as society perspective. Moving forward, we have why is IUCN red flagged as the Western Ghats, again very important for environment perspective. Then we have what is the problem faced by paddy farmers of Tamil Nadu, again very important for environment as well as society perspective. Moving forward, we have new study finds different routes for early and late autism diagnosis, again very important for health perspective. Moving forward, we have US seeks stronger ties with Pakistan but not at India's expense, says Rubio, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have Japan seeks Indian workers but people-to-people ties lag, again very important news for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have top Pakistani military officials meet Bangladesh leader Yunus. Then we have US-China say trade deal is drawing closer ahead of Trump's Xi Jinping meeting. Then we have drone strikes kill 3 in Kyiv. Russia unveils new missile. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.